Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 30th, 2025, and we're diving into UPS's fourth quarter 2024 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. UPS has just released their Q4 2024 earnings, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue growth to strategic initiatives for 2025.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. UPS reported consolidated revenues of $25.3 billion for Q4 2024, which is a 1.5% increase from the same quarter last year. John, what does this tell us about UPS's performance?
Well, the revenue growth is modest but positive, indicating steady demand for UPS's services. More importantly, the operating profit saw a significant increase of 18.1% to $2.9 billion, which highlights improved operational efficiencies. The adjusted EPS of $2.75 also surpassed last year's $2.47, showing strong profitability.
Segment performance analysis. UPS's performance across different segments is quite varied. Can you break down the segment results for us, John?
Absolutely. The U.S. domestic segment saw a revenue increase to $17.3 billion, driven by higher revenue per piece and air cargo growth. The international segment also performed well, with a 6.9% revenue increase to $4.9 billion, thanks to an 8.8% rise in average daily volume. However, the supply chain solutions segment experienced a revenue decline to $3.1 billion, primarily due to the divestiture of Coyote.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Looking ahead, UPS has outlined some strategic initiatives for 2025. What are the key takeaways from their guidance?
UPS is projecting a revenue of approximately $89 billion for 2025, with an operating margin target of 10.8%. They're also focusing on efficiency improvements, aiming for $1 billion in savings through network reconfiguration and process redesign. These initiatives are expected to enhance profitability and agility in the coming years.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $2.52 for UPS, but the actual adjusted EPS came in at $2.75. How significant is this beat, John?
This is quite a substantial beat, with the actual EPS exceeding forecasts by 23 cents. It reflects UPS's strong operational performance and effective cost management, which have allowed them to surpass market expectations significantly.
CEO statements and company response. Carol Tomé, the CEO of UPS, made some statements regarding the company's performance and future direction. What did she emphasize?
Carol Tomé expressed gratitude to UPS employees for their hard work and highlighted the company's strategic focus on becoming more profitable and agile. She mentioned that the operational changes and efficiency initiatives are designed to position UPS as a differentiated player in the logistics market.
Key takeaways. In summary, UPS has delivered a strong performance in Q4 2024, with significant improvements in profitability and strategic initiatives for future growth. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. UPS's results are promising, and their strategic focus on efficiency and profitability bodes well for the future.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts on UPS's performance in the comments below.